If your hair is breaking, thinning, or refuse to grow, this tea is the reason many people are finally seeing results. This tea do not just grow hair, they fix what is stopping hair from growing. Most people are using oils, masks, and treatment but still see no growth. That is because hair growth starts at the scalp, not the length. So today I am unraveling the hair growth secret that actually works. A simple method that supports faster growth, thicker strands, and less breakage. Our first ingredient is chamomile. Why does chamomile work? Chamomile works because it calms scalp inflammation, reduces irritation on the scalp, and creates a healthy environment for growth. It strengthens weak strands and helps prevent breakage caused by dryness and sensitive. A calm scalp grows hair faster. If your scalp is irritating, if your scalp is not in order, your hair can never grow. So chamomile will help you to set your scalp, make your scalp look very healthy. Then you can start seeing faster hair growth. Do not joke with chamomile, okay? Chamomile is very powerful to help you to start seeing hair growth faster. So I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of my chamomile. Please make sure you use all the ingredients I'll be using in this video for that better result, okay? Our next ingredient is green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that stimulate hair follicles and support faster growth. It also reduces excessive shedding and strengthens hair at the roots. Green tea is also improves scalp circulation, feeding follicles with nutrients it needed. Do not joke with green tea. There's a lot of benefit in all these ingredients. Please feel free to Google them and find out more benefits on them on the hair, okay? So I'll also be making use of 1 tablespoon of my green tea. Also transfer it into my jar container. Please, there are different types of green tea. Even though you have the green tea bag, please, anyone you have, support that is green tea. Please feel free to make use of it, okay? So the next thing I will do now is transfer in hot water into my jar that contain my 2 powerful ingredients. I will infuse it for 12 hours. So if you like to boil your ingredient, just boil it for 15 or 10 minutes, okay? Then bring it down. But I like doing infused method, so do the one that you prefer, okay? Either boiling method or infusing method, they all work. But while boiling it, make sure that you do not boil too long, and also you do not boil it in a very high heat, okay? So that you will not lose the nutrients of these 2 ingredients, okay? This chamomile and green tea, they are very effective, helping you to achieve your hair growth length and help you to boost faster hair growth and stop hair fall and so many of them. Do not joke with this simple recipe we are sharing today. It's very powerful, very effective, and very potent. So after infusing mine for 12 hours, this is what I have so far. I'll bring my sheaf cloth and my bowl to collect my herbal spray. This herbal spray is the best. Do you know that your hair do not stop growing? It stop staying because of the clogged follicles, weak strands, and dry quality. Slow down the growth, okay? But if your scalp is stressed, your hair will struggle for growing. So with this powerful spray, your follicle will activate. No more dryness. And also it also helps to strengthen your weak strands. In that way, you start getting results. There are many things can lead to stagnant growth, excessive breakage, excessive shedding, for you not to retain length. But if you know the right ingredients to put together, believe me, you will never experience those things again. Our hair definitely grow, but the problem we are having is from the scalp. So if you know the right treatment to give your scalp, and believe me, you will see that growth start happening. You will never experience that excessive shedding, breakage, and and so many of them. So this particular treatment I'm sharing with you today is one of that best treatment that can help you to activate your follicles and help you to see that faster growth and reduce those your breakage and shedding immediately. There's no joke. So please make sure you watch this video to the end and do exactly what I will say on this video so that you can achieve that best result. Okay, after transferring it to my spray bottle, then our treatment is ready to be used. Now let me demonstrate to you how to use this to achieve that faster growth, to see that visible result from 1 week of using it. Yes, so the main focus with this treatment is scalp, because this is a scalp treatment. Yes, because of that clogged follicles, because of that excessive shedding that hinder you not to see length retention, that hinder your hair not to grow. So this particular treatment will solve it. So focus on the scalp. Okay, make sure you spray it generously on your scalp, and while applying it, make sure you're massaging your scalp immediately. Okay, so that it can boost that good results. Another thing again you must do before you even start applying it on your hair: do not apply this treatment on a cold form. What I mean by on a cold form, warm it up. Okay, whether you boil it or you do infused method, just make sure you pour hot water and keep your spray bottle on it and allow it to heat up a little bit before you start applying it. In that way, it will help you a whole lot to see faster result, because when your scalp is a little bit warm, then this spray can give you that crazy visible results in no time. Okay, so don't use it in a cold form, please. I know why I'm repeating this, so that it can start getting good results with this particular spray. You can also spray this on your hair strands, but our main focus is on the scalp. Okay, so if you are using it as a leave-in treatment, after spraying it all over your scalp and your hair strands, please follow up with your leave-in conditioner and your hair butter. But if you are using it as a final thin rinse, after doing that, after massaging your scalp, then cover up your hair, allow it to sit for 1 hour or 45 minutes, then rinse it out. If you are using it as a leave-in treatment, you can do this for 3 times to 4 times in a week. But if you are using it as a final thin rinse, you can do this twice in a week. Okay, but the main focus is to be consistent. Consistent is the key. But if you want to see the best benefit with this particular treatment, use it as a leave-in treatment. Make sure you always massage your scalp, and also you always see in the moisture, okay, for that leave-in treatment. Okay, so consistent is the key. You can see faster growth when you are consistent. Okay, you not see faster growth if you are not consistent with this particular recipe. So from 1 week of using it as a leave-in treatment, from 1 week you start noticing less shedding, calming scalp. Okay, from 2 weeks you start noticing stronger strands, less breakage. From 3 weeks you start noticing visible growth, thicker hair, fuller. Okay, there's no joke. This actually work if you can be consistent, because this will work only if you are consistent. Okay, so this treatment responds to you when you are consistent. Do not just apply it only one time and you expect the magic to happen. You will never see that magic happen. Just be consistent 3 times to 4 times in a week and you see huge transformation on your hair. Okay, if you're not serious with your hair, if you're not serious to grow your hair, please do not use this treatment, because this treatment is for those that are serious to grow their hair, those that are serious to see transformation on their hair. Okay, I hope you find this video very helpful. please do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay? And once you subscribe, please turn on your bell notification bell to all so that you always notify whenever I drop amazing videos like this. And believe me, you will never regret being part of this amazing family, okay? And also, please help me to like this video. It helps the growth of the channel, and also it motivates me a whole lot to bring out more great content for you guys. Lastly, please help me to share this video to your family and friends so that they will get the good news on today's video and know how to activate their hair follicles, grow their hair faster to their heart desire, okay? So if you are going to try this particular treatment, comment C on the comment section below. I will know that we'll be trying it, and also I will know that you have watched up to this point, okay? Thank you guys so much for staying with me up to this point. I really appreciate you guys. May God Almighty continue to bless you all. Please, if there's anything I did not cover up in this video, please feel free to let me know in comment section below, okay? I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Compliments of the season to you all.